Writing can be a fulfilling and creative career path, but many writers find it challenging to turn their passion into a profitable profession. With the right strategies, however, it's absolutely possible to make a living and even thrive financially as a writer. Whether you're a novelist, content writer, copywriter, or blogger, there are numerous ways to boost your income and grow your writing business. In this video, we'll explore actionable steps to increase your earnings, from diversifying your revenue streams to developing high-income skills. 1. Specialize in a lucrative niche. Not all writing is equally profitable. Some niches pay far more than others, and specializing in a high-paying area can significantly increase your income. Here are some profitable niches to consider. Technical writing. Many tech companies need clear and precise documentation, and they're willing to pay well for experienced technical writers. With some training, you can step into this role and earn a substantial income. Copywriting for marketing and sales. Companies and brands often pay top dollar for persuasive copy that converts readers into customers. Copywriting includes writing for ads, sales pages, product descriptions, and more. Medical and scientific writing. Pharmaceutical companies, healthcare providers, and research institutions need writers who can accurately communicate complex information to diverse audiences. This field is highly specialized and pays accordingly. Financial writing. This involves writing about personal finance, investing, real estate, or other financial topics, which are always in demand. Financial publications and websites value writers who can make complex financial concepts understandable and actionable. Ghostwriting for executives and entrepreneurs. Business leaders and entrepreneurs often need help writing books, speeches, and articles but don't have the time or skills to do it themselves. Ghostwriting can be highly lucrative, especially in corporate and thought leadership circles. Specializing doesn't mean you have to limit yourself to one type of writing, but establishing expertise in a profitable niche can make it easier to charge premium rates.
Hi and welcome in our channel Alive Inc. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for our future videos, and thank you very much in advance.
2. Optimize your freelance portfolio and online presence. A strong portfolio is essential for attracting higher-paying clients. Your portfolio should include your best work, clearly organized by category or industry. Here's how to make it work for you. Update regularly. Make sure your portfolio showcases recent work. If you've done impressive projects, even if they're unpaid, include them. Highlight testimonials. Social proof in the form of client testimonials can add credibility and make new clients more willing to pay your rates. Showcase metrics where possible. If your writing has directly contributed to increased sales, engagement, or website traffic, highlight these metrics. Invest in a professional website. A well-designed, easy-to-navigate website that features your bio, portfolio, services, and contact information makes you look credible and polished. Additionally, leverage platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to share your writing expertise. Regularly post relevant content, interact with your followers, and showcase your recent projects. This helps you reach a wider audience and attract potential clients. 3. Expand your skill set. Some of the highest paid writing gigs require specialized skills, so consider investing in your professional development. Here are a few in-demand skills that could help you make more money as a writer. SEO. Search engine optimization. Many companies are willing to pay writers who can optimize content to rank higher on search engines. Knowing how to incorporate keywords naturally, write engaging meta descriptions, and improve readability for SEO can make you more valuable. Content strategy and planning. Some clients are willing to pay more for writers who can plan and structure their content. By offering content strategy services, you can provide guidance on how to create, distribute, and repurpose content effectively. Graphic design basics. Writers who can create visuals, such as infographics or simple graphics, have an edge when pitching projects for blog posts or social media content. Tools like Canva make it easy to get started. Data analysis. Writers who know how to analyze data and integrate it into content, like using Google Analytics, stand out in digital marketing roles. Investing time and money into courses, certifications, and workshops in these areas can help you negotiate higher rates with clients. 4. Leverage multiple income streams. Instead of relying on a single source of income, diversify your earnings with multiple revenue streams. Here are a few popular options. Freelance writing. Whether it's content writing, ghostwriting, or copywriting, freelancing is a flexible way to earn money on a per-project basis. Sell self-published books or ebooks. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow writers to publish and sell ebooks. If you have knowledge on a particular topic or want to explore fiction writing, this can be a lucrative passive income stream. Create and sell courses. Teaching a course on your writing expertise can generate steady income. Websites like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to create and sell online courses. Affiliate marketing. As a writer with an audience, through a blog, newsletter, or social media, you can partner with companies to promote their products. Each sale made through your affiliate link earns you a commission. Content for your own blog or website. If you have a blog, you can earn income through ad placements, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Growing a blog takes time, but it can become a solid source of passive income. 5. Consider premium pricing and retainer clients. Charging higher rates is one of the fastest ways to increase your income, and this comes down to positioning and negotiation. Set yourself as a premium writer. To command higher fees, position yourself as an expert. Highlight your unique skills and experience, and don't be afraid to turn down low-paying work. By targeting clients who value quality, you'll set yourself up for premium pay. Use retainer contracts. A retainer contract provides a guaranteed number of paid hours or deliverables each month. Retainers are beneficial because they give you a steady income while helping clients streamline their content needs. Offer packages instead of per-word rates. Rather than charging by the word, consider offering packages for certain types of projects. For instance, you could offer a blog starter pack that includes 4 blog posts a month for a set fee. This adds predictability to your income. 6. Write and monetize your own blog. Starting a blog is a long-term strategy, but it can become highly lucrative with time. Here are a few monetization methods. Display ads. Programs like Google AdSense allow you to earn revenue by displaying ads on your blog. However, this income stream typically requires high traffic. Sponsored content. As your blog grows, brands may approach you to write sponsored posts about their products or services. Offer premium content. You could offer premium content, like ebooks or guides, for a fee, or even start a subscription model where paying readers get exclusive content. Affiliate marketing. If you write about products or services that readers are likely to purchase, you can earn commissions through affiliate links. 7. Network and build relationships. Networking is essential for freelancers and entrepreneurs in any field. The writing community is full of opportunities if you take the time to build meaningful relationships. Attend writing conferences and workshops. These events are not only educational but also great for making connections with other writers and potential clients. Join professional writing organizations. Being a part of writing associations, like the Editorial Freelancers Association (EFA) or the American Society of Journalists and Authors (ASJA), can open doors to new clients and provide you with useful resources. Leverage LinkedIn connections. Engage with your LinkedIn network by posting content related to your writing expertise. Join groups relevant to your niche and engage with others' posts. Collaborate with other creatives. Partnering with graphic designers, editors, and marketers can help you offer comprehensive services to clients. Plus, they may refer clients to you. 8. Set and track income goals. Having a clear financial goal helps you make better decisions on which projects to take on and which to pass. Here's a simple way to get started. Calculate your target income, determine how much you want to make annually, and break it down into monthly and weekly targets. Plan your projects accordingly. If your monthly income goal is $4,000, determine how many projects you need to hit that number. If your average project rate is $500, aim for 8 projects monthly. Revisit and adjust quarterly. As you start hitting goals, evaluate whether you can aim higher or take on different types of clients. 9. Invest in marketing yourself. Marketing doesn't just apply to companies, it's essential for writers who want to increase their income. Here's how to build your personal brand. Start a newsletter. Sharing valuable writing tips, content, or industry insights in a newsletter can keep potential clients engaged and thinking about you when they need writing services. Engage in content marketing. Blog posts, social media posts, or YouTube videos about your niche can establish you as an expert and attract clients. Paid advertising. If you're looking to scale quickly, consider investing in Facebook or Google Ads to reach potential clients. 10. Consistently deliver quality work. Finally, your reputation is everything as a writer. Delivering quality work consistently will lead to more referrals, testimonials, and repeat business, all of which make it easier to increase your income over time. Conclusion. Making more money as a writer involves strategic thinking, consistency, and a willingness to expand your skill set and try new approaches. By following the steps outlined here, specializing in a lucrative niche, diversifying your income streams, networking, and honing in-demand skills, you can transform writing into a sustainable, profitable career. Start by implementing 1 or 2 of these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to making a better income as a writer. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you all in the next video.